scope of the question. What I told you, whenever you read a question, read each word of the question carefully, because each word of the question can give you answer. In the question, if any institution, body, agency, etc. is given, then question can be attempted by looking at the scope of the agency. Already we have discussed the question on CAG, but that question was discussed as a part of other trick. Now we are taking this as a independent trick. Now see this question. It was asked in 2017 prelims. What are the advantages of implementing the National Agriculture Market Scheme? How many of you actually know about this scheme? Do you know? Still you can solve the question. How? Yes, this is the first. See all the keywords. National, this is agriculture, and this is market. Market is where the trade happens. Supply, demand, these things happen. First, it is a pan-India electronic trading portal for agriculture commodities. Now pan-India, if it is national, it should be pan-India. Let us say you don't know about this. In general, we know that this is a electronic trading scheme only. But let us say you don't know this. Just keep it aside. Come to second. It provides the farmers access to nationwide market. See this scheme, National Agriculture Market. The word is market. Nationwide market. The second statement should be right, with prices commensurate with the quality of their produce. There is no problem in second statement. At least we can do this. First, now you have to go with the first. It is a pan-India electronic trading. In general, we know that now the government is focusing on the electronic trade. If we have to have a national market, it should be electronic, because a farmer in Kerala can't directly have a physical communication with a trader in, let us say, Jammu and Kashmir. There should be an electronic communication ना. Physical communication तो possible नहीं है. अगर जम्मू कश्मीर से ट्रेन से आएंगे केरला को तो कम से कम 3 दिन लगेंगे. Who will invest those many days in these things? Okay, that's why the government is focusing on the electronic trading. E-NAM scheme is there. Okay, so the first statement is correct, and the answer is C. So you have to use each keyword of the question. If it is national, it should be pan-India. As you said, if it is market, it should deal with the supply, demand, okay, give and take. Clear? Any doubt in this question? Even if you don't know about the scheme, you can still solve the question. Now, we have one more question on this. Okay. Momentum for change. All the keywords are important. Change, climate. Momentum for change, climate neutral now, is an initiative launched by. Now the keyword is climate change or change climate. Climate change. See the options. The Intergovernment Panel on Climate Change, IPCC. Though it is dealing with climate change, it is just a advisory body or research body which just does a research and it gives its report to UNFCCC. Right? It is not a body which can give orders to the government, or it is not a consensus between the government. Okay, momentum for change, climate neutral now is an initiative. It is an initiative among the government to achieve something regarding climate change. This is just a research body. Spelling might be wrong. Sorry. Okay, it's just a research body. Let us say you are confused between, let us say you are not sure about this. Come to second. UNEP Secretariat. See, United Nations Environment Program. It's a body which deals with the diverse issues of environment, not just climate change. Okay, now let us say you are still confused with the second, we will come to third. UNFCCC Secretariat, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. This is the body which is directly related with climate change, and it is an agreement, or it is like collection of the countries, leaders of those countries. Every year there is a session, UNFCCC session, okay, conference of parties that takes place, and it is the most authoritative body on this thing rather than all the remaining bodies. Now let us say this fourth option. World Meteorological Organization, what it deals with? It deals with the atmosphere. Okay, an atmosphere is not related with climate change directly. Their purpose is to just understand the atmosphere, cyclones and all those things, right? So you may think that all the four might be correct, but even in that case, this is the most related with the climate change. This is related, but this is an advisory research body. UNEP, it could have climate change as one task, but it is a very diverse body. United Nations Environment Program. It will deal with pollution, it will deal with ocean acidification, but climate change will be just one part of its work. This is the body which deals only with climate change, global warming. UNFCCC only with climate change. So in that case, among these four options, I think even in the exam, I thought this would be the right answer. Even if you don't know about this, you can go with the answer. Any doubt? Just look at these words. Just look at their purposes. What is the purpose of this body? What is the purpose of this body? You should know at least what is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. At least you should know the long form. You should know IPCC. Whenever you read Shankar Ayer's book, you come to know what is IPCC. It was established in 1988. Okay, just to give some research data to the governments about what is happening to the climate change. What is the level of climate change? What could be the consequences in the next 100 years? That kind of research it gives. It just gives research. And this is the body which is actually dealing with the climate change. Right?